Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to transcribe a video or audio file into text using AWS. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see here, that I am present in my AWS management console, and once you are present here, you need to first of all write the Amazon transcribe. This is a service that is provided by Amazon in which you can transcribe your audio or video file. So let's click on this, and it will take you to the dashboard, and after that you can insert the file there and create a job and transcribe the files. All right, so now the dashboard will be looking like this, and there are multiple things that you can do with Amazon transcribe. Like if you take a look at the real-time transcription, you will see that this is the transcription that you can do while streaming. All right, so let's say if you are working on streaming, then at the same time, if you are streaming, the transcription will be generated at the same time. So I'm not going to do this, but the thing that I'm going to do is to give it a file, and once I give the file, it will transcribe that file into text and give the data to me so that I can download it. So let's click on the transcription jobs and let's create a job here. Currently there is no job, so I will create a job like my first transcription, like this. So after that, you can select the specific language, or you can automatically detect the language by clicking on this. All right, and you can automatically detect multiple languages also if you want to, but I will select a specific language that is by default into English. All right, so you can select the model type, like the general model or the custom language model that you want to use. And the next thing that you want to do is to give it input data. So this is the input data or the file extension that you need to give in order to transcribe a file, because this URL will contain a file. And how this URL will be generated? This URL will be generated with the help of S3 bucket. So now I'm going to open another tab and I will write AWS. So it will open the service for me. So let's open it. So now you can see here that I'm present in the management console. So let's write the S3 bucket. So now let's click on the S3 bucket, because inside the S3 bucket I will give it a file, and that file will generate a URL. After that I will give that URL here inside this input data of the Amazon transcribe. All right, so this is how the thing will go on. So let's create a bucket. Currently there is no bucket, and I will write my first bucket like this, and this is the AWS region, etc. So I will leave options as it is because I don't want to modify them. So currently it is giving me that the bucket name already exists. Maybe it was given before, so I will write my transcription like this, my transcription. All right, transcription, my transcription simply already exists transcription data. What is going on? Transcription file or transcribe file. Change file. All right, so change file is not giving me an error, so let's create a bucket here. So sometimes it gives this error that you have already created a bucket by this name already, and this is how it will give you that error. So now you can see here that the bucket is created successfully. Now if I go to the change file bucket, you will see that this is the dashboard that it is giving me by the change file bucket. And now what I will do, I will upload a file. So let's click on this upload option and let's add a file here. All right, so let's go to the videos, and inside this video I will give this recording 1. All right, so let's click on this. So now you can see here that this is recording 1, and that is now given to it. So let's scroll down and click on this upload. So now it will take some time to upload this file into this bucket, and once this file is uploaded into this bucket, then it will give me this URL here in the summary, and after that I will, after getting that URL, I will put that URL here, and it will show me that this is the input data. All right, so this is how it will work. So now it is completed 100%. So yeah, upload succeed, close it. And now you can see that this is the recording one that it is showing me, and this is the S3 URI that it is showing me. So let's click on this. Yep, and let's see, paste it down here like this. So yeah, now this is how it will work. And now the next thing that you can do is to select the output data, like the service managed S3 bucket that will be managed by the AWS, or you can give the customer specified S3 bucket that will be for the long term, but this is for the short term that will expire. But I'm using the default option as it is, and you can choose the file format like SRT or what you can say VTT, so you can choose any one. So the index will start from 0. And now let's click on this next button. So these are the audio settings, like you can play with the audio, like which kind of audio do you want, like channel identification, speaker participating, etc. Like you can choose 2 audios at the same time, like this is the first person that is talking, and the next one is the second person that is going to be talking. So yeah, this is how you can adjust the audio. And after that, this is the content removal. So the content removal will basically filter out the content that you don't want in your transcript. So let's say if you want to remove these things like bank account number that is present in your audio, or debit card number, name, email, or banking routing, social security number, phone number, etc. Let's say if you want to remove these things from the transcription, then you can remove them also. And this is the vocabulary filtering that you can filter out, and this is the customization of the vocabulary that you can select them. But for this video, I'm not going to choose any of this option. I will leave this default. So let's create a job. So yeah, so now you can see here that this is the job that is successfully created. And now let's open this, and output URL is not available because the transcription did not complete. So let's refresh. Maybe I don't know why it is giving me this error. In progress, as you can see here that it is still in progress because it is not done yet. So it will take me some time. Service managed. So now it is generated successfully. If I go back, sorry, yeah, this is completed. So yeah, it will take me some time to complete this job, and once this job is completed, you can see here that the status is complete, and this is the transcription review that is showing to me here, like, hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan, and today I'm going to talk about Soda Foundation. So this is the video that I recorded, and this was the transcription of that video or audio. So now if you want to download it, like if you want to give it a subtitles, like the subtitles will be like this. All right, if you want to download it, you can simply click on this SRT format, or you can download the JSON file. So this is how it will work. All right, so I'm not going to download it. You can simply click on this. Let's click on this, like download transcript in the JSON format. So it will download it for me. So yeah, let's click on this. Maybe it is taking some time for me. So yeah, so now you can see here that this is the whole data that is shown to me here in the transcription in the JSON format. So let's say if I want to download it in the SRT format, then I can also download it like in the SRT format. So yeah, this is how it will show me that this is the timing and this is the transcription. So yeah, this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.